Hey guys, what's up? So today I feel like being a chef.
Ohio, konbanwa. Ohio, konbanwa.
Now, I've always seen those YouTube videos where they are like following a tutorial on like Tasty or like Pop Sugar or some food channel that always looks so amazing. So today I thought, you know what? I'm gonna just fail at cooking today, but I'm gonna try and follow one of those to see if they help me not fail. So, if you guys want to see me make Funfetti Pancakes, you guys, I'm excited. I want to eat these because they have sprinkles in them, and you guys know I love sprinkles. Sprinkle it down. Hey, and I'm gonna follow one of those tutorials to see if I can make these good. You know what I mean? You can't go wrong with that, right? I should be able to make it good. We're gonna go head to the store, guys, get some ingredients because I don't have any ingredients. I need help. I also need a griddle so I can like cook these things on. We're gonna go head to your local Walmart. Keep on watching.
Yes!
What's up, guys? Back at it again with the side views of the car. I know you guys love the views.
Yes! I love it!
Yeah, so I need gas. So I'm at like 0 gas. So before we can go get all of the groceries, you guys, I gotta get some gas. And where we get gas is Costco. Costco's got cheap gas. I love my GPS. Come on, kids. Mask on. We're here. Oh, didn't put my mask on. Let's go. Hey, we're back. All right, guys, we just got all of the ingredients. I think I got all of them. There's still something I'm missing. I'm probably missing something because we know this cannot go perfectly.
Never ever.
So I'm gonna unpack everything and then let's get to cooking. We decided to do a little festive, you know, because we're making Funfetti. This says confetti because it's confetti is the off brand, and it's the Walmart brand because they didn't have the main brand, but the main brand is Funfetti. Yay! Also, guys, too, I am too tall, so here's my normal height. I'm gonna act like I'm this height because it just looks better on the camera.
It's a tragedy, a real tragedy.
I think I have all the supplies all out here, up on the countertop. We got the supplies. I'm probably missing something. I must have broke my phone. So I'm gonna turn on the tutorial and we're gonna see if we can follow along with this girl. It's a girl talking. She's very excited about these Funfetti, confetti, sprinkle contraption. Let me get my laptop and then let's get into cooking. Funfetti cake batter pancakes worth waking up for. Period. Hey Brandy, what's up Brandy? Hey.
Hello?
Every morning I would scream from my bed, I want Funfetti cake!
Same.
Cakes topped with sprinkles, I mean gimme! It all starts like a regular pancake recipe.
I'm
just gonna
dying.
add
Oh, she's already going to do it. Okay. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay. Wait, did I just forget to buy flour, like the main ingredient?
Crap!
No, I literally remember that was the one ingredient I already had. Duh! Yay! So 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Am I gonna have to use this whole thing? Like, I don't wanna like waste all this. Whatever. So 1.5 cups of flour. Why is this so hard to open? Literally had to buy these freaking measuring cups. 1.5 cups of flour. Already spilled. So here's 1 cup. Ooh, mesmerizing.
Nice.
And then a half a cup. Half a cup.
Oops.
Done. Flour, goodbye. What she got next for us?
flour, Baking powder.
Oh my god, wait, slow down. Why does it seem like she's going so fast? Okay, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon? 1. And she says 2, so let's do another one of 1. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, done.
Baking powder, sugar, and salt.
2 steps in 1, sugar and salt. She's trying to be like speeding up.
Gotta go fast.
1 tablespoon of sugar. I just bought this whole thing for a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of sugar, granulated sugar. Let's do half a teaspoon of salt. I don't have salt, but I have a salt shaker. So I'm just gonna, can't you just like screw the top off and then pour half a teaspoon of salt. That's salt. Half a teaspoon.
Salt into a bowl. Give it a little whisk.
Oh, give it a whisk. Oh my god, I failed. I didn't buy a whisk. Oh my god. Wait, let me check. Maybe my mom, when we moved here, you know, took care of me and gave me a whisk. Let me go check, okay? We found a whisk.
Seems that you've finally done something.
Hi, let's get personal. So this is what we're working with. You know, giving it a little whisking. Looking pretty good, honestly. It's not good yet. Let's keep cooking.
And then we're gonna add
She's so happy. She's like,
entire box of Funfetti cake mix.
the entire box of Funfetti. So, cake mix. Did I get cake mix? Yes. Okay. I'm good at grocery shopping. The whole box. Like, what if I don't like this? I'm gonna waste the whole box. This girl is wild. She is wild. Maybe I should have like watched the recipe and not done the whole thing and just like maybe cut it in half because I don't know how much this is supposed to serve. I'm not cooking for anybody but myself, but it's quarantine and I don't know, maybe I'll eat the whole thing. Guys, this is a disaster. A literal disaster.
After another disaster.
For 1/3 of a cup of canola oil. I'm gonna laugh when like these actually taste really, really good because like somehow though, like every time I cook, everything looks like a disaster and I wish I never cooked because I make a bigger mess. But everything somehow comes out good. Like I honestly, this is the first time I'm actually measuring stuff. I never measure stuff.
Eggs.
Following Brandy.
And just to help.
3 eggs. The store didn't have eggs. What store doesn't have eggs? We need 3 eggs. Brandy said 3, so I'll take these 2 real eggs. Real eggs, what does that even mean? 1 large egg is 3 tablespoons. So if I use 3 tablespoons of this, it will give me 1 large egg. Always cracked into a separate bowl. I just went straight in for it.
And our milk. Now
Ooh.
this recipe makes a ton of batter, which is perfect because the moment that people try this, they're gonna be obsessed and want a good short stack.
It makes a ton of batter. For how many people does she think I'm feeding? This is why I didn't want to do that. Milk, okay. Let's do the milk. 2 1/3 cup of milk. Where's the milk? It's in my backpack. Don't ask why it was in my backpack. 2 1/3 cup. Why is that such a weird number? Why am I pouring it over the dry ingredients? It's supposed to go in here. There we go. 2. A little more, because that felt like a lot. Okay, just whisking together. How long am I supposed to whisk it? Oh, my arm sucks. This is like a workout.
Our wet ingredients to our cake batter dry ingredients.
I mean, you honestly could have like poured it all just in here, right, Vincho? But I don't know. Okay, so we're adding it to the dry. Ooh, mesmerizing. Let's go.
And stir it until it's nice and smooth.
I'm about to have like a whole ass cake. Anybody want to come over for some cake right now? Because this is like a year's worth for me because I don't really eat sweets. But this is kind of fun cooking. Like, should I turn into like a cooking channel? Would you guys like watch me cook? Mostly probably because of my commentary because the food would be terrible. But I could just like fake it and tell you it's good. Don't tell anybody. I'm so tired. Look at, kinda good. Kinda good, kinda good. Look at us, look at us.
And because you can never have enough sprinkles, I'm gonna add even more sprinkles to the batter. And I love to make my own custom sprinkle mix. And then just give it a little shake. Now you can use whatever.
She said 1/3 of sprinkles. That was about like 5 cups. Look at how many sprinkles are in here. That don't look good. What looks good? I wanna like taste it. Oh my god, but it's actually really, really good.
Hit it with a little bit of nonstick cooking spray, and then you can make your Funfetti pancakes.
Oh my god, slow down, slow down, slow down. She's using an ice cream thing to put it on the griddle. I'm not doing that. Okay, we need the griddle. Now this griddle's new. I still have to cut this. Sorry, this is like the most dedication I have ever done to anything. But also, she didn't tell us how high to turn it on to.
This is bad.
Oh, it says in the description 275. Let's do 300 just because we're feeling risky and everything's going too smooth right now. Let's go. So how am I gonna know when it is 300? So we'll wait.
1 eternity later.
So let's do it. Let's take a scoop. A scoop? God, I'm stressed out. Okay, what did she say?
My gosh, these smell incredible. It seriously smells like I'm making Funfetti cupcakes or cake.
Like she's making Funfetti cupcakes or cake. The box is literally cake. Brandy, she's so hyped. I was like, why are we not getting pancake mix? We got like cake mix for pancakes. So we're basically making cake in pancake form. That's what's going on. Come on, we got this. We're almost there. Maybe I should get a plate too, to pre-prepare. Look at me thinking things through.
Ooh, mastermind.
There's no bubbles, but like, I don't know. We did 300. Oh my god, where are you going? Where are you going? Oh. You guys, it's literally black. What? Please don't be. Oh! Oh! Ah! But it's so good. Okay. Why are they black? Oh my god. Why is this also not flipping? Like, she just casually flipped hers. 6 feet, people. Back up. Okay, maybe they're like brown. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down. Maybe they're brown because like the sprinkles. Like it has nothing to do with me, right? Okay.
Well, these are pancakes after all. You know, these are so sweet. I like to serve them with just a really simple powdered sugar glaze or even whipped cream on top.
A powdered sugar glaze that we are not making because it's too much work, Brandy.
This is one of the few breakfast foods that can seriously have me jumping out of bed in the morning.
She's jumping out of bed. She's jumping.
All right, let's keep going.
Oh my god, how many she's making? She's making like, but hers look perfect. They're like golden brown and
Look at that stack. Oh.
Somebody just hands her a plate. They're like, we don't have that. Okay, welcome to reality.
It sucks.
Why are they dark? Oh my god, why are they dark? I'm gonna flip it before it burns again. Look at that color, but then also like, look at that color. Let's flip it one more. Yes! Okay, this is bad. These two kind of poppin'.
Oh my gosh, I love these. It's almost like I'm eating dessert for breakfast.
I love these. It's almost like I'm cheating dessert for breakfast, whatever she said. Love her. Looks amazing. Okay, so we're gonna take this one. Let me like try and zoom in. Oh my god, I'm stressed. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay, this one is a little dark. But look at that one. That one looks like really, really good.
Delicious.
What if we like flip it? Is that the good side? Yeah. So we just made 2 today. Funfetti. Oh my god, wait, I'm excited to try. So, I'm gonna take the first bite and we'll see what it tastes like. It literally tastes like cake. Like it's not even a pancake. It's literally like you're eating cake. There's like no flavor in the sprinkles. Like I thought it was gonna taste really like sugary. But it doesn't, it's like bland. Why? I'm so not impressed. Oh my god, Brandy let me down. But like, also I'd still eat it. Like, as I'm like eating more, like I'd still eat this. It's actually kind of pretty good. After I just said it wasn't good. It's kind of good, but it's not like what you expect. That's the thing. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cook. Maybe we'll do some more cooking videos. I hope you guys really liked following this tutorial, and I hope you guys make it along with me. If you guys have any other videos you guys want me to try and like recreate or follow a recipe or a tutorial, let me know and comment them down below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. It really helps you guys. And let me know if you guys have ever tried this recipe or not. Also, make sure you guys follow all my other social medias as well to be on the screen. And I'll see you guys all in the next video, you guys. Bye, guys.